Good morning, students. So today we are going to solve some questions from practice set 1.1. We have studied the basics of geometry. Okay, so chapter number 1 of class 9 geometry. So we will solve some questions from the practice set 1.1. So the question number 4. The question is, on a number line, points A, B and C are such that D of AC is equal to 10, D of CB is equal to 8, and we have to find the value of D of AB, okay, considering all the possibilities. So there are 3 points, point A, point B and point C, okay. So these 3 points are on a number line. That means that these 3 points are collinear to each other, okay. The distance between the point A and point C is given, that is 10, and the distance between point B and point C is given, that is 8, okay. We have to find the distance between point A and point B, but we have to consider all the possibilities. So possibilities are, this point A can be the first point between these 2 points B and C. So point A जो है वो B और C के पहले हो सकता है या फिर बाद में हो सकता है, ये पहली पॉसिबिलिटी है. Okay, and the second possibility is that point A must be between the point B and C. दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है कि जो पॉइंट A है वो पॉइंट B और C के बीच में होगा. Okay, so by considering these two possibilities, we have to find the distance between point A and point B. So suppose CB हमें दिया हुआ है 8, okay, और AC दिया हुआ है हमें 10. So from first case we have to find the value of AB. तो आप लोग फिगर में देख सकते हैं कि AC से अगर हम लोग BC माइनस करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, AB मिलेगा. If we subtract the BC from AC, we will get the distance of point between AB. Okay, and in second case the value of CB is 8. Okay, and the value of AC is 10. So in this case, if we want to find the value of AB, what we have to do, we have to subtract this 10 from 8 so that we will get the value of AB. So first we will consider the first case. So as given, D of AC is equals to 10, D of CB is equal to 8. Okay, so we know the formula that D of AC is going to be equal to D of AB plus D of BC. AC क्या होगा, AB plus BC होगा. So AC है हमारे पास 10 is equal to D of AB क्या है हमारा, हमें मालूम नहीं है. So D of AB as it is plus D of BC हमें मालूम है कितना है यहाँ पे 8. Therefore 10 minus 8 क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, D of AB. This is positive 8, it will shift to LHS and it will become negative. Okay, so therefore we get the value of D of AB is equals to 2. Okay, so 10 minus 8 is nothing but 2. So from first case we got the answer as D of AB equal to 2. Okay, possibility 1. Now considering the possibility 2, so D of BC is equal to D of AB plus D of AC. Okay, अब सेकेंड केस में क्या होगा, BC इज इक्वल्स टू AB प्लस AC होगा. So we know the value of BC, it is 8 is equal to what is AB, D of AB we don't know, plus D of AC is 10. Therefore D of AB is going to be, this 10 is going to shift to LHS, so it will become 8 minus 10, positive will become negative. So 8 minus 10 is nothing but minus 2. Therefore D of AB for second possibility it is going to be minus 2. Okay. So in this way you can find the distance between the 2 points, okay, considering all the possibilities. We will see question number 6 of practice set 1.1. okay, so the question is sketch proper figure and write the answers of the following questions. So we have to sketch a figure in which the collinearity of these points will be shown, that is points x, y, z, okay, and we have to solve the particular question of distance problem. So what is given, if x, y, z, so this particular line, it is showing us that x, y, z are collinear points in the form x is first, then y is between the 2 points, and then z. Okay, so x, y, z, these 3 points are collinear to each other, forming a line, and this is our required sketch. Okay, now the value of length of xz is given, so L of xz is equals to 3 root 7, then xy is given, so L of xy is equals to root 7, okay, and we have to find the length of yz, so L of yz equal to question mark. Now in the figure itself you can see xy is root 7, okay, and xz is 3 root 7, and we have to find the value of yz. So when we will subtract xy from xz, we are going to get the value of yz. So we know L of xz is equals to L of xy plus L of yz. What is xz? It is the addition of xy and yz. Okay, so xz is given, that is 3 root 7, xy root 7 plus we have to find the L of yz. Now this is positive in the right hand side, it will be negative in the left hand side, so 3 root 7 minus root 7, it will be length of yz. Therefore L of yz is equals to, now 3 root 7 minus root 7, so we can write root 7 minus root 7, okay, so 3 root 7 minus root 7, that is, we can take it as 3a minus a. What is 3a minus a? It is nothing but 2a. Similarly 3 root 7 minus root 7, it is going to be 2 root 7. So length of yz is nothing but 2 root 7, okay, and this is the required answer. So for solving this question, you have to write the given solution and you have to draw the figure, this figure. Okay, now your homework is going to be, we have to solve question number 5, question number 6, sub question 1 and 2, and question number 7 of practice set 1.1. Okay,